Are you looking forward to install Sora AI video app? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to the App Store of your device. Once you're inside the home page of App Store, click on the search bar at the bottom right corner, and in the search icon, simply search for Sora by OpenAI. Click on this app right here. This is the application you are looking for. All you gotta do is click on Get in order for it to install, and once again tap on Install. Enter your Face ID or enter the password of your account, and then click on Sign In. It will start to install the application on your device. You have to wait for a while for the process to be completed. And there you can see that the application has been installed. In order for you to use it, simply click on Open. You can click on Continue with ChatGPT. Well, if you have the invitation code, simply enter it and then click on Done. After that, you will be able to use it. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.